got McDonald's, and I'm gonna try to do the 1-minute Big Mac challenge. Dr. Pepper. Okay, I get my Big Mac with no onions, but the baby might start to cry. I hope not. Heather's gonna start the timer when I go to take my first bite, okay? Because I need all the time I can get.
Go.
My jaw locked up.
Huh?
My jaw locked.
Oh, you only got 39 minutes left.
Seconds.
Seconds.
30 seconds.